city, in the greatest city in the world, because of the contributions of immigrants. And we want to make sure that you continue to support small businesses, support Moma Crawl, and thank you, Seyon. Seyon is going to introduce our new poster and how we continue to promote Tibet. And again, we are here because we provide resources to community-based organizations to provide free legal services. We're here because we want to make sure that all immigrants, doesn't matter your immigration status, we are not going to ask you what your immigration status is. We're just going to ask you is, how can we help you? How can we help you with healthcare? How can we help you with legal? How can we help you with ID NYC and becoming recognizable? And by that, I want to also introduce Seyon, who is pretty much our ambassador to the Tibetan, the Nepalese, and the senior manager of community affairs. Seyon?
Thank you, DC, Deputy Commissioner Misiotis. Give it up for Deputy Commissioner Misiotis. Tashi Delek, everyone. Tashi Delek. You just had the most popular Tibetan food, and now I want to introduce our 13th immigrant illustration of the New York City Mayor's Office of Immigrant Affairs. We do have 3 million immigrants in the city and 200 immigrant communities. And now our 13th immigrant illustration is to honor the Tibetan immigrants. So this poster, we want to present it to the Students for Free Tibet for all the work they have been doing to advocate and to educate New Yorkers about Tibet and the Tibetan culture, the history, the struggle. And you see, it's how immigrant communities have contributed so much to this city. So we want to invite the members of Students for Free Tibet to come join us on the stage here. And organizers as well. And if you see the poster, in the center of it is the Momo truck, the Diversity Plaza. So from Woodside to Amherst and beyond, this is how Tibetan immigrants have made this city rich and have contributed to the socio-economic and political fabric of this city, and will continue to do so.
Organizers, you made this happen, and give yourselves a big round of applause. Thank you.
Let's give it up one more time, guys, for Deputy Commissioner Munoz and for Taylor from the Mayor's Office of Immigrant Affairs. Thank you so much. Speaking next, we have one of the staff members here from Students for Free Tibet, the organization.